Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review look at CAMiLLUS two-blade must-wear yellow jacket knife. So CAMiLLUS quality knife since 1876. This has a polished AUS 8 steel or odd 8 steel, a quick blade, pen blade, carbon fiber body accent, lifetime warranty, which is a great thing. This model, because of the yellow, is the yellow jacket model, and it's the two-blade must-wear. Comes with a custom wooden yellow jacket case, or box. Here's what the box looks like. You go on to CAMILLUSKnives.com. I'll put a link down below in the description there. So yeah, let's open this up and take a look at the knife here. So here's the knife. And the carbon fiber is actually smooth inlay. So you don't actually get to feel the carbon fiber, which is a nice touch. It says CAMiLLUS on the bottom there. The two blades. It says yellow jacket on there, which is etched on there. So one blade is the what did I read here? Chip blade, and the other blade is the pen blade. I'm not sure, but as you can kind of see, one's a little bit fatter, and this one kind of has a little bit of a curve to it. I'm not quite sure which one's the pen blade and which one is the chip blade. I believe this one might be the pen, and this one might be the chip. Not too sure. So let's kind of bring out a piece of wood here and just take a look at these. Kind of sharp, not super sharp. This one's a little bit more, and they're about the same sharpness. So nope. And this one, maybe a little bit more with this side. So this one, it kind of has a curve. It's going to give you more of a slicing cut. Well, this side, it has more of the straight, fatter piece to it. It's going to be more for slicing. To do like wood shavings and stuff. So let me kind of get this cleaned up here. Smooth action on the open and closing part. Let's take a look at the box. It says CAMiLLUS quality knife since 1876. Yellow jacket. And if you didn't notice, there's a little magnet right there and right there. So it's a little magnet box. Ooh, the case has even got a custom little foam inlay in there. And it doesn't come out, but if you give it a good hard shake, yeah, it still doesn't come out. So you could put your knife in there. Like that. I mean, if you shake it really hard and really fast, of course it's going to come out with the magnet, but who's really going to be, like, trying to slam the thing on the ground? But, you know, a good shake doesn't come out, but if you really want to go, like, Superman, or He-Man, or, you know, whatever, like, try and ground pound it, do the hard, no.